Now we are starting the next category of modem after the traditional modem, that is called the 56K modem. The name of 56K modem is given because the speed of downloading is 56 kbps. That's why the name given is 56K modem. But there the downloading speed is still remain the same, which is 33.6 kbps. So if I say the upload speed of this modem, that will remain same, and that is the 33.6 kbps. And if I talk about the download speed, so download speed will be increased, and that download speed is 56 kbps. So that means the download side the speed is increased. But how this is possible? There are two diagrams which are mentioned. One is of traditional modem, which we have discussed already, and one is the new diagram for the 56K modem. If I see the diagram of traditional modem, then we have discussed from the computer to telephone exchange. This way, if we are sending the data, this is called the upload. Upload means we are going to send the data, and through the telephone network it is going to another telephone exchange, and from there to the another system. If the data is going, that is called the download. Now we know that the uploading speed and downloading speed in the traditional modem is 33.6 kbps, and we already know the reason of this limitation of speed. The speed limitation is because of the quantization that we have already discussed. Quantization means whenever we are having the large set of data and it is divided into the small set, it is called quantization, and there two parts are there. One is PCM and another is inverse PCM. PCM stands for converting analog to digital, and inverse PCM means converting digital to analog. So whenever the data is going from this side, we have already discussed from system to modem, the modem is converting digital to analog. Then this is the local loop. Local loop means the wire which is coming from telephone exchange to our home. Then the analog signals are moving. Then again the analog is converted to digital using the PCM. Afterward, the digital data is moving across the telephone line and going to the another exchange. Now, during uploading, because of this quantization, the speed was limited. So that's why the upload speed is 33.6 kbps. But at the download side also, whenever the data is converted from digital to analog, then inverse PCM comes into picture, and this is the part of quantization. So because of the quantization, again in the downloading side in the traditional modem the speed was 33.6 kbps. Now the local loop we know, which is the line coming from telephone exchange to our home, and the data is moving to the modem, and modem is again converting analog to digital, and the data is given to the another system. This is called download. So because of this quantization and converting analog to digital multiple times, the speed is limited in upload and download. But what about the 56K modem? In the 56K modem, the speed which we are having is improved. That is 56 kbps. Uploading speed is still remains same, but downloading speed is more. How? Let us assume that we are having the downloading part. Now in the downloading part, if somehow I can remove this quantization, then that will be possible. Now assume that this is the downloading part, and in the traditional modem if I somehow replace this whole part, then this will be for sure possible that downloading speed will be more. So if I somehow cut this quantization in downloading, then this will be improved. And yes, this is the diagram of 56K modem. Now see the uploading and downloading part in the 56K modem. We know that this is our system, and from the system till the telephone exchange, this part is called the uploading. So here the uploading is going on. Now if I start the diagram with the computer, so this is the computer. Let us suppose this is my computer from which I will send the data to you. And from my side, the data generated is the digital. Every computer generates the digital data. So there the data generated is digital. I am just sending the digital data. So data is moving. But from the telephone company, the line provided is the analog. So this is the telephone company, and in this telephone company, there the line provided to my home, that is the local line. Local line, that means local loop, and which contain the analog signal. And because of this analog signal which is coming at our home, means a line is local and it is working on the analog signals and my system working on the digital. That's why the modem is applied. There the need of modem is there. So because of that, the modulator or demodulator, that means the modem is required. So here the modem is placed, and modem is going to convert the digital data to analog so that this can go from the telephone line which is coming at our home. Now this analog data which is coming from our home to the telephone exchange, now this is converted back to digital, because we know that the whole telephone line work on the digital connection, and there the PCM comes into picture. So PCM means converting analog to digital, and this is called the quantization. And because of this quantization, we know that the speed of upload is 33.6 kbps. That we already discussed. This whole telephone line which is moving from one telephone exchange to another, that is the digital. So digital data is traveling. Now what is the modification we have done? We have done the modification that at the download side there is no quantization, no modem is applied. So now this part here we are having is called the downloading. Now we can see that in this download there is nothing like quantization. What we are saying here, we are having the digital data and it is given to ISP, Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider work on the digital data and it is directly given to internet. And from the internet, the system can download the data. Let us suppose we are having the system here, and that system can download the data, digital data, directly. Supposing this is the system B. So this is a diagram of 56K modem in which we have cut one part from traditional modem. So this particular block we have removed from here in the traditional modem. That's why the download speed is increased to 56 kbps. And the reason we have cut down the quantization. Here only in one direction the quantization is there. That's why the upload speed is 33, and in the downloading there is no quantization. That's why the downloading speed is 56 kbps. This modem is very much popular. Actually the traditional modem was the starting modem. Whenever they have invented the modem, at that time traditional modem was there, uploading and downloading same. But maximum time today, if you are checking, the speed of downloading is more and uploading is less. That is only because of this concept of quantization. And yes, the speeds of modem or any other thing depend upon this digital to analog conversion. If the conversion is removed, the speed will be more. That is because of the reason of 56K modem is having the more download speed.